Hi, Becoming a Renegade members. I am here still in Chicago with my sister, and she is our very first plus size model. And this week, or for next week's video, we are doing a video about how to redo tops if you have trouble with a big chest and you don't want things tight on your stomach. So we did this top. I think this is our favorite. Is this our favorite? Okay. Yes. So we couldn't find a long sweater at the thrift store, so I ended up finding this one at Walmart on clearance for $5. So it might as well have been thrifted. But this top is a long sweater, but then we put a zipper on the side, and it just gives a little relief in the tummy area. So that things don't fit tight where you don't want them to fit. So that's what we're doing. We did 4 tops, and this is our favorite one. Yes. So we wanted to share it with you guys. You guys will see this in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I hope you like it. All right, bye.